We all love comfort food, warm, familiar, delicious. But what about being kind to animals and the planet? Vegan comfort food does all this. It's tasty and good for you. Vegan food is growing more popular. People are discovering new flavors. They are finding ways to make their favorite dishes plant-based. It's an exciting time for food lovers. Can we have mac and cheese without the cheese? Yes, we can use amazing plant-based ingredients. These ingredients make a creamy, cheesy sauce. You won't believe it's not dairy cheese. We'll need some basic pantry staples, pasta of course, and nutritional yeast for that cheesy flavor. Cashews will make our sauce super smooth. Spices will add warmth and depth. Nutritional yeast is our secret weapon. It's a deactivated yeast. Don't worry, it won't make your food rise. It has a nutty, cheesy flavor. It's also packed with vitamins and minerals. You can find nutritional yeast in most health food stores. It comes in flakes or powder form. We'll use it in our sauce to mimic that cheesy taste. Get ready for a flavor explosion. Cashews are not just for snacking. These little nuts hold a creamy secret that can transform your dishes in ways you never imagined. When soaked and blended, cashews turn into a smooth, creamy dream that can be used in a variety of recipes. Imagine a sauce so velvety and rich it could rival any dairy-based cream. This creamy blend will be the base of our cheese sauce, perfect for pasta, nachos, or even as a dip. The possibilities are endless. Not only is it naturally sweet, but it also adds a richness to the dish that is hard to beat. The texture is so smooth you'll be amazed that it's made from cashews. To get started, soak the cashews in hot water for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial as it softens the cashews, making them easier to blend into that perfect creamy consistency. As the cashews soak, they absorb the water and become plump and soft. This is the magic that allows them to blend so smoothly. After soaking, drain the cashews and rinse them well. This removes any excess starch and ensures a cleaner, smoother cream. Now place the softened cashews into a blender. Add a bit of water and blend until you achieve a luscious, creamy texture. This cashew cream can be used as a base for countless recipes, from savory sauces to sweet desserts. The versatility of cashew cream is truly remarkable, making it a must-have in any kitchen. Section 5. Assembling your vegan masterpiece. Let's cook our pasta. Cooking pasta is an art, and getting it just right is crucial for the perfect dish. Start by bringing a large pot of water to a rolling boil. Add a generous pinch of salt to the water. This will enhance the flavor of the pasta. Once the water is boiling, add your pasta, and give it a good stir to prevent it from sticking together. Keep an eye on the pasta as it cooks, stirring occasionally. We want it al dente, not mushy. Al dente means the pasta should be firm to the bite, offering a slight resistance when you chew it. This texture is perfect for holding up to our rich and creamy vegan cheese sauce. To check if your pasta is al dente, take a piece out of the pot and taste it. If it's still a bit too firm, give it another minute or two. Remember, pasta continues to cook even after you drain it, so it's better to undercook slightly than to overcook. While the pasta is cooking, we'll make the cheese sauce. Blend the cashews, which have been soaked in water for at least 4 hours or overnight. This soaking process softens the cashews, making them easier to blend into a smooth and creamy sauce. Add nutritional yeast, which gives the sauce a cheesy flavor without any dairy. Nutritional yeast is a staple in vegan cooking for its umami-rich taste. Add spices like garlic powder, onion powder, and a pinch of turmeric for color. Don't forget a bit of salt and pepper to taste. Pour in some water to help everything blend smoothly. Blend on high until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy. You might need to stop and scrape down the sides of the blender a few times to make sure everything is well incorporated. The result should be a luscious, velvety sauce that's ready to coat your pasta. Now drain the pasta and return it to the pot. Use a colander to drain the pasta thoroughly, shaking it gently to remove any excess water. It's important to get rid of as much water as possible so that the sauce can cling to the pasta without being diluted. Once drained, transfer the pasta back to the pot you cooked it in. This will help keep the pasta warm and ready to absorb the sauce. Pour in the creamy cheese sauce. Make sure to get every last bit of that delicious sauce out of the blender. You can use a spatula to scrape down the sides and bottom of the blender to ensure nothing goes to waste. The sauce should be thick and creamy, ready to envelop each piece of pasta in its rich, cheesy goodness. Stir it all together until the pasta is coated evenly. Use a large spoon or spatula to mix the pasta and sauce thoroughly. Make sure every piece of pasta is well coated with the sauce. This step is crucial for ensuring that each bite is as flavorful as the last. If the sauce seems too thick, you can add a splash of water or plant-based milk to thin it out to your desired consistency. Your vegan mac and cheese is ready. Serve it hot, garnished with a sprinkle of fresh herbs or a dash of paprika for a pop of color. This dish is perfect as a comforting main course or a delightful side dish. Enjoy your homemade vegan masterpiece, knowing it's both delicious and nutritious. Section 6. Flavor Burst. Tips for Taste Bud Tango. Want to take it up a notch? Add a pinch of smoked paprika for a BBQ twist. Roast some cherry tomatoes for a burst of sweetness. Fresh herbs like parsley or chives add freshness. Get creative with toppings. Crispy breadcrumbs add a satisfying crunch. Sautéed mushrooms and onions bring savory depth. The possibilities are endless. Section 7. Healthy Indulgence. Good for you, good for the planet. In this section, we will explore how indulging in delicious food can also be a healthy choice for you and a sustainable option for our planet. Let's dive into the world of vegan mac and cheese, a dish that is not only mouth-watering but also packed with numerous health benefits. This vegan mac and cheese is not just delicious, it's good for you. Imagine a creamy, cheesy delight that satisfies your cravings without compromising your health. Made from wholesome ingredients, this dish is a perfect example of how you can enjoy comfort food while still making nutritious choices. It's packed with fiber, protein, and essential nutrients. The ingredients include a variety of vegetables, grains, and beans, all of which contribute to a balanced diet. Fiber aids in digestion, protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, and the nutrients from these plant-based ingredients help in maintaining overall health. It's also cholesterol-free and lower in fat than traditional mac and cheese. Traditional mac and cheese often contains high levels of saturated fats and cholesterol, which can contribute to heart disease and other health issues. In contrast, vegan mac and cheese uses plant-based ingredients that are naturally lower in unhealthy fats, making it a heart-friendly option. Choosing plant-based meals is a great way to care for your body. By opting for plant-based options, you are not only reducing your intake of harmful fats and cholesterol, but also increasing your consumption of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients are vital for maintaining a healthy immune system, improving skin health, and boosting energy levels. It can reduce your risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Studies have shown that a diet rich in plant-based foods can significantly lower the risk of chronic diseases. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties of these foods help in protecting your body against various ailments, ensuring a longer and healthier life. Plus, it's good for the environment. Plant-based diets have a lower carbon footprint compared to diets that rely heavily on animal products. By choosing vegan mac and cheese, you are contributing to the reduction of greenhouse gas emissions, conserving water, and promoting sustainable farming practices. Every small step counts towards a healthier planet. Making mindful food choices can have a profound impact on our environment. Simple actions like planting trees, using reusable bags and containers, and opting for plant-based meals can collectively make a significant difference. By being conscious of what we eat and how it affects the planet, we can pave the way for a more sustainable future. It's also a wonderful way to teach the next generation about the importance of healthy eating and environmental stewardship. Sharing plant-based meals with your family can be a fun and educational experience. It encourages children to appreciate the value of nutritious food and understand the impact of their choices on the planet. Community gardens are another excellent way to promote healthy eating and environmental care. By growing your own vegetables and herbs, you can ensure that your food is fresh, organic, and free from harmful pesticides. It also fosters a sense of community and connection with nature. Preparing and sharing plant-based meals can be a delightful and rewarding experience. It allows you to experiment with new recipes, discover diverse flavors, and enjoy the satisfaction of knowing that you are making a positive impact on your health and the environment. So, next time you crave something indulgent, remember that you can have it all: taste, health, and sustainability. Section 8. Vegan Comfort Food, a world of delicious discoveries. This vegan mac and cheese is just the beginning. There's a whole world of vegan comfort food to explore. From creamy pastas to hearty stews, the possibilities are endless. Embrace the joy of cooking with plant-based ingredients. Experiment with flavors, textures, and spices. You'll be amazed at what you can create. Section 9. Claymation. Fun with vegan mac and cheese. Let's have some fun with our food. Use your imagination to create claymation characters enjoying this delicious vegan mac and cheese. Share your creations with friends and family. Food brings people together. It's a way to show love and care. By choosing vegan options, we can share our love for good food and a healthy planet.